we divide 711 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. So 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting, we get 0. So 711 divided by 3 is 237. So this much for today and thanks for watching.